Every time when we see a video with Javelin, we say, "Yeah, baby, Javelin is back." A soldier from the 15th Brigade Karadog of the National Guard of Ukraine successfully destroyed a Russian T-72 B-3 tank using an FGM-148 Javelin anti-tank missile system. Interesting footage of a Leopard 2 tank towing a T-72 from the battlefield in the Kursk region. The German-made tank receives a hit and the turret catches fire, but the automatic external firefighting system suppresses the fire and enables the tank to complete the evacuation.
The Leopard hooked the 72 and is pulling it out. Later there will be video footage with landings on the Leopard showing its defensive maneuvers, but it keeps pulling out the 72. Tankers are awesome. Zaka, who is in this tank, there are many Zakas among tankers. It's a common name, just a great guy.
In the Donetsk region along the E40 highway near Minkivka, Ukrainian forces reported an assault on positions held by the 30th Separate Mechanized Brigade. Russians used 10 to 14 motorcycles, of which 8 were destroyed. In addition, 16 Russian servicemen were reportedly killed. The 37th Marine Brigade has successfully downed 2 Russian Supercam drones as part of their ongoing efforts to clear the skies over southern Ukraine. GMLRS cluster rockets, fired from HIMARS, cover a concentration of the Russian military personnel, reportedly in the Kursk region. I don't know what will happen after the US elections, but I received very direct information from Trump that he will be on our side and support Ukraine. Zelensky, for Fox News.
I don't know what will be after elections and who will be the president, because your country and your people is right, extremely right, that they decide who will be the president. But I've got from Donald Trump very direct information that he will be on our side, that he will support Ukraine. And there are so many details, I think, which he was very interested to hear from me, directly from me.
Denmark and Ukraine have agreed on a defense investment of approximately $600 million. The funding will be used to procure weapons and equipment produced by the Ukrainian defense industry, financed by Denmark, and frozen Russian assets allocated by Denmark on behalf of the EU. Danish Defense Minister Troels Lund Poulsen signed the agreement in Kyiv with Ukrainian officials. This initiative is part of ongoing Danish support for Ukraine's defense, including a previous delivery of 18 Ukrainian-produced Bodana artillery systems earlier this year. Danish defense companies will also participate in the upcoming Defense Industries Forum in Kyiv. The Israel Defense Force has announced that in an extensive intelligence-based operation, several dozen aircraft of the Israeli Air Force, including fighter jets, aerial refueling tankers, and intelligence platforms, launched a series of strikes against the Houthi terrorist group in the Ras Isa and Hudaida areas of western Yemen. The strikes targeted an oil port, as well as several power plants that are all used by the Houthis.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.